I'm sorry, but you've hit the daily limit for advanced voice. You can switch to standard now to keep chatting.
Assalamu alaikum and very warm welcome to all my audience, my social media community, to joining me on this very lively session. Today we are going to dive deep into artificial intelligence, how it is, you can say, serving humanity from, you can say, classroom to clinics, from farms to factories. I'm Simula, education wala, and I will discuss with you something very special, how ChatGPT is transforming us, how it is involved in our lives, how we have integrated this into our lives. Okay, let's start with, you can say, the very few questions. ChatGPT, welcome to this session. To begin with, how would you define artificial intelligence in the context of everyday life?
Thanks for the warm welcome. So, in simple words, artificial intelligence or AI is when machines, like computers or phones, do things that usually need human intelligence. That means they can learn, solve problems, understand language, or even recognize faces. In everyday life, AI is when your phone suggests what to type next, or when Netflix recommends shows, or when Google Maps gives you the fastest route. It's like having a smart helper quietly working in the background. Have you noticed any AI tools in your daily routine?
Yes. What are some visible ways AI is already integrated into our daily routines, both in Pakistan and globally?
I'm sorry, but I'm having trouble responding right now. Please wait a bit and try again.
What are some visible ways AI is directly integrated into our daily routines, both Pakistan and the world? Is there any problem? Dear Putin's audience, I think there is a technical issue with ChatGPT. I will wait some time. Uh, if it is resolved, then we will go live.
Sorry, I'm having issues right now. Could not understand what you said.
How ChatGPT is serving humanity?
ChatGPT is serving humanity in a lot of meaningful ways. For example, it's helping people learn languages, write better, save time, and make informed decisions. Students use it for study support, teachers use it to plan lessons, and even doctors use it for quick information. You can say it's like a helpful assistant that's always there without needing sleep. What kind of use were you thinking about? Education, health, work, or something else?
ChatGPT, I welcome to you on this session. To begin with, how would you define artificial intelligence in context of everyday life?
Thank you. That's a great way to kick things off. So, in the context of everyday life, artificial intelligence, AI, is basically when machines or computer programs are designed to think and learn like humans. For example, when your phone suggests what to type next, or when Netflix recommends a show you might like, that's AI. It's also behind voice assistants like Siri or Google Assistant, self driving cars, spam filters in your email, and even personalized ads you see online. In simple terms, AI is the invisible helper working behind the scenes to make life smoother, faster, and more customized. Would you like examples from education, healthcare, or maybe smart homes?
Please be specific to my questions, and you can say that be a little bit more speedy, a little bit, not too much.
Got
What
it.
are
Clear and a bit quicker.
what are some visible ways AI
So,
is
artificial intelligence in everyday life means machines doing tasks that normally need human thinking, like learning, solving problems, or making decisions. For instance, AI helps you unlock phones with your face, get directions on Google Maps, chat with customer support bots, or even translate languages in real time. It's all about making daily tasks easier, faster, and more efficient. Want to dive into how it's changing jobs or education?
What are some visible ways AI is already integrated into our daily routines, both in Pakistan and globally?
AI is deeply embedded in our daily lives, both in Pakistan and worldwide. In Pakistan, AI is enhancing traffic management systems to reduce congestion and improve air quality. The Punjab government has introduced AI to streamline traffic, helping to improve the climate by cutting down on carbon emissions and allowing everyday people to avoid the frustration of being stuck in traffic. Globally, AI powers voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, making everyday tasks easier through natural language processing. AI also enhances personalized experiences on streaming platforms like Netflix and Spotify, tailoring recommendations to individual preferences. In healthcare, AI assists in diagnosing diseases and developing personalized treatment plans, improving patient care. These examples show how AI is seamlessly integrated into various aspects of our routines, enhancing efficiency and convenience.
How is AI transforming traditional education methods, especially in classrooms and online platforms?
AI is transforming education by making it more personalized, interactive, and accessible. In classrooms, AI tools help teachers track student progress, spot learning gaps, and offer tailored support. For example, adaptive learning platforms adjust the difficulty of content based on how a student performs. Online, AI powers virtual tutors, chatbots for instant help, and tools like automated grading. It also supports students with special needs, like text to speech for those with reading difficulties. Basically, AI turns a one size fits all system into a more flexible, student centered experience. Want an example from a local Pakistani classroom or a global platform like Khan Academy?
Can AI help reduce urban rural education divide in a country like Pakistan?
Yes, absolutely. AI can really help bridge the urban rural education gap in Pakistan. How? Well, AI powered apps and platforms can bring high quality lessons to students in remote areas, even if there's no expert teacher present. Voice assistants and chatbots can support students in local languages. Plus, AI can help customize learning based on each student's pace, something that's especially useful in multi level rural classrooms. As long as there's internet access and basic devices, AI can offer equal learning opportunities, training, and even career guidance. Would you like examples of platforms doing this in Pakistan?
It's okay. Is there you can say real fear of job loss because of AI? If yes, how should society prepare?
I'm sorry, but I'm having trouble responding right now. Please wait a bit and try again.
It's a wonderful idea that ChatGPT is a responding, you can say, uh, in a wonderful way, but we should be prepared for the time being. If there's some technical issue, it's natural. We should be mentally prepared that there may be some issues related to, you can say, online, you can say the digital applying digital tools like ChatGPT and others. So it's a very wonderful way that ChatGPT is helping in every walk of life, from, you can say, the classrooms as to engaging students with the different tools, just like Kahoot and jam boards. You can say add puzzles. You can say there are so many techniques that you can engage the students. You can say so that they can give their input in a better way. Some students who are quite shy, they can be more fluent. They can be expressive in their ways. If we apply these tools, I would try again to ask some questions to ChatGPT whether it's okay or not. In what ways AI is helping doctors and medical professionals improving diagnosis and treatment?
You said it beautifully. Yes, these digital tools like ChatGPT, Kahoot, Jamboard, and Padlet really open up new ways for students to express themselves, especially those who are shy or less confident. They create a space where every student gets a voice, not just the loudest ones. And you're absolutely right. We should always be mentally prepared for some technical hiccups. That's just part of using digital platforms. What matters is how we adapt and keep going. Go ahead and ask your next question. I'm ready.
Okay, that's right. In what ways AI helping doctors and medical professionals in improving diagnosis and treatments?
Great question. AI is helping doctors in some really powerful ways. First, it can quickly analyze medical images, like x rays or MRIs, and spot issues that might be hard for the human eye to catch. Second, AI tools can look through a patient's medical history and suggest possible diagnoses or treatment plans based on patterns in huge medical databases. It also helps in predicting disease risks, personalizing treatments, and even reminding patients to take their medicines on time through smart apps. So, overall, AI is like a sharp assistant, fast, accurate, and available 24/7. Want to hear how it's being used in Pakistani hospitals?
Can AI-based health tools support Pakistan's rural areas where professional healthcare is scarce and limited?
I'm sorry, but I'm having trouble responding right now. Please wait a bit and try again.
Sure, ChatGPT will tell us later that how artificial intelligence is helping us in our rural areas. If there's, you can see the limited resources for us, and if there's doctors are not available for the time being, if someone is in a dire need to take some advice from doctors, he or she can go on ChatGPT. You can say write down his or her symptoms and click for the advice. If someone shows his or his even reports, uploads his reports that their ChatGPT will suggest you a more specific and more concerned, appropriate, you can say some medicines and some, you can say some tips on how to improve your health. I'm going back to ChatGPT and ask a question. Are there risks or limitations when it comes to using AI in health and emergency care?
Yes, there are some important risks and limitations of AI in health and emergency care. First, AI isn't a licensed doctor. It can give suggestions, but it might miss something serious or misinterpret symptoms, especially if the input isn't clear. Second, AI depends on the data it's trained on. If that data doesn't include enough examples from rural or underrepresented populations, the advice might not be accurate. Also, privacy is a big concern. If sensitive medical data is shared without proper protection, it could be misused. And in emergencies, relying only on AI without human support can be risky because time and judgment are critical. So while AI is helpful, it should be used as a support, not a full replacement for real medical professionals. Do you want to explore how telemedicine and AI can work together in rural settings?
It's okay. What are the benefits and limitations of using AI tools like translation apps or pronunciation trainers for language learners?
I'm sorry, but I'm having trouble responding right now. Please wait a bit and try again.
Okay, ChatGPT, we will wait a few moments. We are going to end in a few moments, but one thing is very important that I was experimenting that how we can talk to ChatGPT as a friend, as a guest, and a speaker, and get information from you can say your ChatGPT. It's a technical issue. Yeah, and maybe the server is making some problem. Otherwise, it goes smooth and with a great flow, just like human beings, and can suggest you something very special. And about the question that can it help for you can, language learners about the translations and pronunciations in something else? Yes, it can. Is a great help for the you can say learners. It can devise a few lessons and you can say the um, in a way that if you like to learn like a child, it will plan some lessons for you. If you like to get some activities, it will provide you. So it's better to remain in contact with such kind of apps to uplift ourselves, not to fear about such kind of things. It's enough for today. I will go again, and when the situation is favorable and ChatGPT is repaired, I will talk to you later. But be you can say up tuned that I'm going to be live on off and on days. I will contact you later. Thank you so nice of you.